Hi everyone, I am here today to show you how to make the milky white acrylic that I did in my last set of nails. This is the acrylic set of nails that I did using my milky white mix, and now I want to show you how to do it because it's so easy. You will need a white acrylic, clear acrylic, and if you so choose, a shimmer glitter. And I am going to be using a glitter that I purchased from Five Below a while back, and it came in this bottle here. You can use really any kind of fine, thin glitter. And this is just one that I picked up off of eBay. I'm going to start out with using clear because I found through experience that it's easier that way, because sometimes if you use white, you have a tendency to get it too white and then you're adding more clear and more clear. So just trust me on this. And I'm just going to make a small amount for this video. I think that's good for the clear. Now we're going to add white, and be careful so that you don't overdo it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add one more scoop of the white, just a little bit of this shimmer. And I'm going to mix it up and we'll test it out. I've taken 2 swatch sticks and applied some glitter and some mylar and foil, and we will cap these out first on one and see how it looks. And if we need to, we will adjust our mix accordingly. Oh yeah, I think that looks really good. Oh my goodness, I think it looks fantastic. I don't think I'm going to have to add anything to this. I like it just the way it is. I'm not going to add anything more. No more clear, no more white, no more shimmer. If you get this too thick on top, you will start to cover up the pieces in there. So you don't want it too thick. Do you see how that just shimmers just right? And if you think it's too thin on the nail, you can always go ahead and cap this in clear if you like, to build a little bit more structure. And that way it won't cover up. That's something that you can think about, applying this to give it that milky look, and then capping in clear. Now I'm just gonna let you see the mix by itself. And here's the color that I just made. I'm going to go ahead and top coat it. Here is the finished milky white acrylic. I think it looks beautiful. I made 2 different batches when I made this. The first batch is right here, and that is what I used on my set. And then I made this batch and you watched me do it. They look very similar, and here's what they look like over a black background. You can see the milkiness to them. And as you saw, it was very easy to make. So simple and so pretty. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.